Now let us look at what is the meaning of dynamic typing. So Python uses dynamic typing means you can reassign variables of different data types. This makes Python very flexible in assigning data types. It differs from other languages that are statically typed. For example, C language is a statically typed language, and in that, say for example, here we have x sign, x is equal to 4, and then we are printing x, fine. So value of x is 4, and here again I am assigning value, string value 4 to x, and I am printing, right. So it is printing this. In Jupyter Notebook, even though we are not using this print function, then also it will automatically print the value of that particular variable. Here also we can use the same print function also. Now let us determine type over here. Say for example here type of x, and here let us again determine the type of x, fine. So let us run this. So here it will print this value of x, as well as it will print type of x. Now we can see that it is value of x is 4, and the type of x is integer. Now here again we can see that the print, it has printed this value 4, but now the type of this x is string. So this is referred to as a dynamic typed language. Means Python is a dynamic typed language, means it determines the type of the variable at runtime. If we have created a variable of one type, and again if we assign value of different type to the same variable, then it will automatically determine type, and it will use that variable with that new value, fine. So this is what the meaning of dynamic typing. Thank you very much.